Hello guys, welcome to Farmer's Line. Farmer's Line, let's farm together. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. So it's day 2 and I'm giving my bird antibiotic vitamin. The purpose of giving them antibiotic vitamin is to introduce them to some trace elements that we don't usually get in their feed, and so they need it, and they also need antibacterial prevention, which is the antibiotics in it that can prevent your birds from getting early stage diseases. So we give them this antibiotic vitamin to boost their eating and also to prevent them from getting ill. So this is how I did it. First, get your water. Clean water, and get your antibiotic vitamin, of course. Antibiotic vitamin. This is vitamin mixed with antibiotics, so it gives you both benefits. We have them in separate doses. We have antibiotic separately. We have vitamins separately. But because they are not sick right now, you don't want to give them either of them in their total dose. Okay, so this is a mixture and it's mild kind of. So this is used for prevention, not cure. Antibiotic vitamin is used for prevention, to boost their eating, to boost their growth, and also to prevent disease, bacterial infectious diseases. These are the properties in this particular brand that I chose, not advertising for any brand, but this is what I got, and I've been using it for a while. It's good. Vitamins, and pardon me for the orientation of my video. Sorry, I forgot to turn it into landscape. That will not happen again. Sorry. Okay, so put it back inside where you picked it from. Seal it nicely because you don't want it to get flat, and mix it well with the water. Mix it well. The proportion is 1 teaspoonful to a gallon of water. This particular one I'm using. Mix it well. You don't want any lumps in it, so that one bird will carry the whole thing and swallow. That will give him or her overdose and it might die. So make sure to mix it. Make sure to mix it thoroughly to prevent all the lumps in it. Mix it well, and make sure it's all well mixed together. Yes, so it's day 2 and this is what I give them. We'll be giving them antibiotic vitamin on day 2 and day 3 and day 4. Taking care of these birds is a routine So we follow a chart, medication chart or prevention chart. We give them antibiotic vitamin, we give them course treatments, we give them vaccines to make sure they stay healthy throughout their lifespan or their lifestyle, their lifespan. Yes, so that is how I did my antibiotic vitamin. And make sure to clean your drinkers because you don't want to get any dirty stuff for your birds to drink. When birds are intensive, they are delicate, so you want to handle them as much as possible with care. So you clean your environment, you clean your troughs, and the birds loved it. The moment I put it inside, each one of them was rushing for the water. The reason being that before you put any medicine into their cage, you want to make sure they go thirsty a little bit, so that the moment you put the water, they will rush for it. So I removed the water about 40 minutes before I prepared this antibiotic vitamin water for them, and they enjoyed it. That's my little turkey that I hatched from my homemade incubator. They all came the same day, so I added it to this batch of cockerels I received. And my little duck, which I hatched on the same day from my homemade incubator. Yeah, so guys, I'll be updating you. Keep watching.